Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile. This is really easy to do and can be done in only a few seconds. The first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app on your phone, just like this. And then click on the three stripes here on the bottom in the right hand corner in order to get to the menu. And here one menu option is down the bottom, settings and privacy. And now we need to click on the arrow here on the right hand side to open the menu options. And the first one is called settings, and that's the one we need to click on. And here in the settings and privacy tab, we need to scroll down all the way to audience and visibility. And the first option you can see under this headline is profile locking. And this is the option we need to select. And after clicking on it, this window opens where it explains what happens to your profile if you choose to lock it. And to go ahead and lock your profile, all you need to do now is to click on the blue button down the bottom where it says lock your profile. And that's it. Now your profile is locked. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.